All aspects of human life cannot be separated from technology. Technology and information systems have become a lifestyle, where user satisfaction lies in greater service quality.
One of the benefits of the existence of information technology make things effective and efficient. Technology and information systems were developed for renewal to support various activities of human life in all fields. Even so, in the field of marketing of food and beverage products, namely the use of vending machine in marketing food and beverage products, vending machine is a drawing vending machine that can operate standalone to serve beverage or snack purchase. In carrying out its duties to provide the product desired by the buyer, the vending machine requires fixed money according to the product price. This will make it difficult if the buyer does not have the right money. Research conduct and provide a theory using the greedy algorithm that review for buyers who buy their product with more money is something that is very possible to do on a vending machine.
Instimate, one such automated system, delivers antibiotic, inhaler, cough syrup, and painkiller to the hospital. This direct round-the-clock access is intended to ease the burden on the emergency department for conditions that may not require immediate attention other than seeking treatment. Prescribers share safety code with patients when they send their ordered prescription to the Instimate system via an electronic medical record facility. Patients then enter a code on the machine keypad, and a debit or credit card swipe cannot be used before the machine dispenses the medicine in pre-packaged labeled container. Patient information, such as prescription benefit, is transferred to the Instimate app for insurance approval. In the event of an insurance problem, Instimate call center representative communicate the matter to the patient by telephone on the dispensing machine. If the patient does not have prescription protection, the machine calculates from the pocket payment price for the medication. New pharmaceutical innovations are constantly emerging, including Medavir, and dispensing machine where patient insert handwritten prescription and pharmacists verify and share the medication remotely. Pharmacist and patient are linked via direct two-way audio-visual.
Therefore, in the future, drug vending machine facilities will be provided to make it easier for patients to purchase drugs. Vending machine placed 1 km per unit in each city, so the patient do not need long distance to get the medicine. With the convenience, people no longer need to be far away and broad away when they want to buy medicine, especially during an emergency, can easily get the right medicine and treatment. It is hoped that this medical vending machine plan can be realized in the future for the convenience of everyone.